Hello friends! On this video, we are going to talk all about the fastest way to learn website design, especially if you're a beginner. In my 12 plus years of experience as a website designer and developer, I personally found out that the fastest way to learn website design is through imitation. Later on this video, we are going to look for an existing website design in the internet and we will create a website design using imitation together. But before I teach you how to do it, I want to be very clear that imitation is not the same as copying. When I say imitation, we are only using the website design that we find for inspiration. While copying, on the other hand, we are replicating the website design exactly as it is, or what you call 1:1, and this would result in what you call plagiarism, which what we don't want to happen. Now that we have cleared that up, we can now start creating our website design using imitation. Our first step is to search a website design that we really like and want to imitate. For this example, we are going to search for a personal website portfolio. Let's say we have chosen this website design. We can now start working on imitating this website design. First, let's create our blank canvas. On our website design inspiration, we are going to focus first on the topmost section, which is the header section. Now let's create a rectangle for our header section. Next, we're going to work on the elements inside the header section, starting from the most left, which is the logo. So let's create our logo. Next, we're going to focus on the right side, which are the navigation links. So let's create our navigation links. Now that we are done with the header section, we can now move to the next section, which is the hero section. So let's create a rectangle for our hero section. Next, we're going to work on the elements inside the hero section, starting from the most left, which are the text and the button. So let's create our heading, our paragraph, and our button. Next, we're going to focus on the right side, which is the image. So let's create a rectangle for our image. We are now done creating our wireframe. If you're not familiar with a wireframe, you can think of wireframe as the blueprint of your website design. Now that we have finished creating our wireframe, we can start adding our visual design. And just like before, we are going to start at the topmost section, which is our header section. So let's start adding the visual design for our logo. Next, let's add the visual design for our navigation links. We have now completed creating our header section. Now let's work on the hero section next. Let's start by adding the visual design for our heading, our paragraph, and our button. And finally, let's add the visual design for our image. We have now completed creating our website design using imitation. Imitation is the fastest way to learn website design, especially if you're a beginner. Just make sure to always keep in mind that we're using it for inspiration and not for copying. I hope you learned a lot on this video. If you do, please give this a like and subscribe to the channel for more website design educational videos. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to learn, create, and share.